Hi, my name is Justin Rice, team member here at Country Diesels in Warrenton, Virginia, where we stock more than 60 clean, pre-owned diesel trucks. And today I'm here to bring you our pick of the week. The pick is this flawless 2016 Ram 2500 Laramie Sport Mega Cab. This truck has a powerhouse 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine capable of towing loads of any size. This truck is equipped with blackout headlights and badges, factory front and rear parking sensors, rear vision backup camera, adjustable tow mirrors, and factory color matching grille, handles, and fender flares. You'll also notice that this has been leveled and has these 20-inch Fuel Offroad lethal wheels with 35-inch Nitto ridge grappler tires, giving this truck a perfect stance. The bed has been spray lined for added protection as well. On the inside, you'll find luxurious heated and cooled leather bucket seats, factory navigation on this massive 8.4-inch touchscreen display, and all the extras you could expect from a Laramie. You'll also appreciate the added room in the back seat found only in the Mega Cab. So come down to Country Diesel today and check out this amazing Ram 2500. And if you'd like to see more of our diesel inventory in your feed, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Country Diesels, where you'll always find big city selection and small town hospitality. Thanks for watching.